Hello. First and foremost, I would like to thank you for your consideration in onboarding me as your website designer. I have decided to create a video presentation to further assist you in your selection for the position. When visiting a website, you want to see organized, relevant, and useful information. It is very important that the user is able to find information easily and readily. Visual communication on a website is effective when it enhances content and provides easy navigation for all types of users. In this presentation, I will discuss with you the benefits of visual organization, visual simplicity of design, the use of interactive elements to engage users. Let's take a look at the website for Nationwide Children's Hospital. We can clearly see the tabs at the top of the web page are in a straight line with all relevant and necessary information available. This organization is visually appealing and pleasant to users. These organizational visual factors are easy and simple, which create a perception that the Nationwide Children's Hospital is organized and professional. A simple and direct visual presentation of a website minimizes visual tension and complexity, thereby creating a more calming emotional response for the users. Another important element to be used in website visual communication is the use of interactive elements. An organization or facility does not wish to just provide information, but to gain support and clients. In order to gain clients, it is very important to get your users engaged. Getting a user to click on something is a great way to get them to stay on the website longer, which could lead to them becoming a client or even purchasing a product or service. Take a look at the example I've provided. While navigating the website, the search tab remains at the top of the page, no matter where you choose to click. Users will immediately see that the search tab is readily available and likely perform a search based on their healthcare needs. Let's take a look at this graph of photographs. Each title or statistic is actually a link that provides further information. This interactivity provides more engagement with users to learn more about the organization and keeps them engaged while navigating. I've provided another image for the website for Nationwide Children's Hospital and their social media resources. We can see that the use of social media as well as the interactive icons at the bottom. This provides an opportunity for clients to share their experiences with others. The fastest way to success for a facility is spreading the word of their organization to the public. The interactive tabs are strategically placed to provide that interactive, emotional connection, which engages users to become invested in the organization. These are key visuals in a website communication. Appreciate the organization chooses to put their social media disclaimer for all clients to see. This shows an ethical standard for this organization, which also attracts users, that in turn attracts patients. Important visual organization, simplicity of design, and interactive engagement elements are all elements that are important to making your target audience have a pleasant visual experience and inevitably becoming a patient.